Hello Cartpunk fam, welcome back, and today we're diving into a WooCommerce secret weapon, cart-based discounts. You're this close to checkout and boom, you get a deal. That's cart magic. Let me show you how to use it to boost sales, increase order value, and keep those carts from getting abandoned. Well, cart discounts trigger when a customer's cart meets specific conditions. And building such cart discounts are very easy, and I'm just going to show you how we can create it using one of the most amazing plugins that I've come across, which is Discount Rules Pro. They offer a variety of options that you can create and customize according to your store's requirements. They provide a variety of discounts that you can offer to make it more relevant to your store. So let me just show you how we can create a simple cart discount using the Discount Rules Pro plugin. I've already installed it on my site. So let me just take you to WooCommerce. Click on discount rule. Let's just try creating a rule by clicking on this add new rule button and entering a rule title, which I'm going to call cart discount over $50. Right. Once I enter the rule title, all you have to do is go ahead and choose a discount type. From the drop down below, I'm going to be selecting cart adjustment for this particular scenario. And then comes the filter where we get to choose the products that are eligible for this particular discount. I'm just going to keep it to all products, meaning all products in my store are eligible for this particular discount. Next, you'll have to pick your action by going to the discount type, value, and the label. All right, so let me just go for a fixed discount of $15 and give this a discount label, because these card discounts, they generally work as a coupon in the card. So this is the label that will show when this particular discount is applied. So make sure you give a relevant label here. And then comes conditions. I'm just going to make this rule in such a way that it only applies when the cart total is above $50. So let me just set a condition by clicking on add condition button and choosing the condition type to be subtotal greater than or equal to 50. Well, next you can also decide how you can calculate the subtotal, either all items in the cart, or if you have chosen specific filters for this particular rule, for example, specific categories or specific products in the filters here, then you can go for only count items chosen in the filter set for this rule, which will only count the products mentioned in the filter. All right, so let me just choose count all items in cart, because we have made all the products basically eligible for this particular discount. Now that we have created the rule, all you have to do is click on the save and close button and your rule is live. Make sure it's enabled before you test it. A quick pro tip would be to upsell with card-based discounts, so you urge customers to spend a little more. You can simply add a prompt like spend 20 more for a $15 off or something like that. And this you can do by going to the settings and enabling a subtotal based promotional message. So let me just show you how you can do that. I'm just going to go to the settings page, and here you'll be able to find something called promotional banners under promotion. So make sure you click on this use subtotal based rules, and then you'll also have to choose the pages to show the banner. I'm just going to select shop, product, cart, page, and then click on save changes. Now I will have to also come back to the rule and make some corrections. So let me just go to the discount rules dashboard. Go to this edit option where you can find the already created rule. Now you'll be able to see that under conditions, you will see an extension where you can add your promotion message, and you can also choose the threshold from which you would like to show the promotional message. So let me say from $10 itself. So when the cart subtotal reaches $10, customers will be able to see this prompt message that says spend so and so more for $15 off. All right. So let's just copy this particular message, paste it, and edit it according to your preferences. I'm just gonna change this to 15 off. All right, so this particular shortcode is very important because this retrieves the value. So make sure you keep it as it is, and then that is it. Let's just save and close this particular rule. Now, whenever customers buy for $10, they'll be able to see the prompt encouraging them to meet the condition in order to qualify for this particular discount. Let me just show you how these rules work. So let me just take you to the shop. Okay, so we are here on the shop page right now. Let's just try purchasing this particular item, which is costing $15. Now you'll be able to see at the cart page, there's this prompt saying spend $35 more to get a $15 discount. So I'm just going to increase the quantity to 4 and update the cart. Now you'll be able to see cart discount over $15 is applied, and here's the label. A $15 fixed discount is applied to this particular cart. Now let me just also give you some quick do's and don'ts. Number 1, do test your thresholds. For example, $50 versus $75, because that makes a big difference. Second, do keep it simple. Avoid stacking too many rules, because that will end up in dilemma for your users. And then comes third one, which is do not also forget about mobile shoppers, because optimizing prompts for... And that's it. Cart-based discounts are more than just last-minute deals. They're strategic levers that close the sale. Set them right and you'll be converting with confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell, because next time on Cartmonk, we're diving into other types of discounts that make your store feel like an event. I'll see you soon.